It's really a shame you didn't have that rolling.
Well, we're gonna get that. So, Devin just dumped
Whoops.
the whole thing
About
of
10,000 dead
bugs.
gnats right in my freaking...
Dr. Pepper.
It's for protein, hon.
All right, so Jaybird acquired this 1961. What is it? 16 foot. 16 foot Starcraft V hull, and that's been the project of the weekend. It's called you can see Little Naughty. So we worked on the motor earlier, got it all tuned up, ripped up, ready to go. He come to the conclusion that this trolling motor with 30 pounds of thrust probably wasn't big enough to push this motor around. Especially with 4 people in it. So he worked on repainting it. What's that called? Gunmetal gray or something like that? Yep, got the outside done. We got a bunch of lights hooked up for bow fishing. And Willard, the farm dog, he's hard at work. Got 4 seats mounted in there. Now he's working on the electrical after we ripped it all out. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's kind of where we're at. We got this out here all rigged up because they're raising and lowering it for painting. Trailer's in good shape. Did you pull the pin, Jay, for it to lift up at all? That's what the underneath looks like. She's in pretty good shape. So the people they bought it off said it was an old crabbing boat. It used to have like a big canopy thing over it. Probably what these here thingies are for, I don't know. I'm not a boat guy. But all in all, she's in good shape for being 1960. So 30, that'd have got us to 2000. Over 50 years old. You know, Jay, back when your pap was born, this would have been like a Class A boat.
Yeah.
Yep, this has been high cotton to have a boat like this.
Well, as Devin likes to say, we're 2026 poor, but we're 1980s rich.
Right. They used thermostat wire to wire up a bunch of the lights.
Here is what I want.
Luckily for us, we acquired a bunch of batteries, so we won't ever have to buy batteries anytime soon. These are actually UPS batteries out of a great big bank of UPS batteries, and they last forever. Oh, this Mercury, she's just a peach. Look at this.
Well, now you said that, I'm gonna pull this at 175 hands.
No, we got her. She's tuned up. We figured out a couple things with her that was just little things that she needed to run better. The guy he bought it from said this company right here just serviced them last year, so that's a good thing. And they went out bow fishing last night. Didn't get anything, but it's a work in progress here.
Find somewhere to put your whisper biscuit, maybe.
Oh, yeah. The old whisker biscuit.
You want me to take it?
Yeah, careful with the biscuit.
Okay. All right. Stand by. All right, folks. So it's the next morning. And looks like they decided to paint the top black here. And they went around and looks like they started painting the trim black. Or the bumper guards black. They got all this painted in here. So she's just a beaut. Got nice matching green carpet in the bottom. These LED lights are nice and bright. Work good for bow fishing. Looks like you could put a new jack on her or winch on her. Got brand new trailer lights. So she's just about in tip-top shape to go back out on the lake. Anyway, I'll bring you any major updates on the boat. Until then, God bless each and every one of you, and we'll see you on the next one. Here we go.